Ecosystems are one of our best allies in terms of the climate crisis and the biodiversity crisis. They provide a lot of solutions, but they are also vulnerable to these crises and to human impacts. So we must learn how to manage them in order to ensure sustainability, both from an environmental, social and economic point of view. Here in Campo dei Fiori, close to Varese, in Lombardy, Italy, we are on a site that's been heavily hit by the symptoms of the climate crisis. We had forest fire, we had windstorm damage, we had drought, one of the worst drought that Southern Europe has ever seen. So we're trying to teach students how to cope with these events, how to help the forest recover after severe disturbances, severe events of this kind, and how to reform and reconstruct a functioning ecosystem. If you're working with nature and ecosystems, the only way of learning how they work is go out and be in them. And only when you are in the ecosystem you can appreciate the functioning, the relationship between the different components, the forest, the soil, the air, the water. And only here we can discuss about options, learn about best practices, and learn about how to better reconstruct them after adverse impacts. We are actually very close to Milan here. We can see the skyscrapers of the city, so even in a large city, nature is never very far away. But in fact, we are deeply connected with nature, even if we are in a city. And that's why this course appeals not only for people living in rural areas, but also for people coming from the city. And in the city, nature-based solutions can especially help in terms of climate adaptation and the well-being of all citizens. One of the main topics in the restoration ecology course is urban forests. And urban forests are getting an increasing interest by policymakers because of how they can help with adapting to climate change. They can cool the temperature during heat waves, they can absorb pollution and excess rainwater, and they are also connected to general health and well-being of the population. So it's an increasingly used and increasingly useful nature-based solutions, especially for cities like Milan. I think the crisis that we're currently living require a correct management of ecosystems. Wherever you are in the world, you will have vulnerable ecosystems on one hand, and you will have ecosystems that, if correctly managed, will help a lot in coping with the climate and biodiversity crisis and will produce benefits for people. So people are square at the center of our course through a correct management of ecosystems, and this applies both to developed and developing countries alike.